Hello everyone, this is my review of the JARLINK 6-pack folders. These folders are pretty heavy duty and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about water destroying them if they get on there. They have these nice tables inside of it and the pockets there, big pocket areas, so you can use those for quick calculations if you need them. The colors in the pack is like a light green color, like a sky blue, a pinkish or salmon color, purple, yellow, and the last color is gray. These folders have a large capacity, so you can hold a lot of papers in there very easily and conveniently. You can easily fit them into any 3-ring binder because they already have the holes cut out for them, so you can keep your paperwork organized and stuff. So I hope this review helps.